Sa gitna ng pag-aabang ng marami sa kung sino ang susunod na Santo Papa, may tahimik na panalangin ang isang kilalang psychologist. Minsan siyang nakaranas ng pang-abuso ng isang pare, kaya napili ni Pope Francis na maging katuwang sa paglilinis ng simbahan. Ang inaasam niya para sa susunod na lider ng mga Katoliko sa aking pagtutok. Kung mala rockstar nitong mga araw na ito ang mga kardinal na hinahabol ng mga taga-media para makasagap ng balita, itong babaeng nakilala namin ang siya namang hinahabol ng mga kardinal para magpa-picture. Siya si Dr. Theresa Tolmie McGrain, kilalang psychologist sa Norway na naging boses ng mga batang naabuso.
When I went to my first day of school, I told the teacher that my uncle was doing things to me, and I was removed from the school and taken straight to the orphanage. And it was a terrible experience. It was even worse.
8 taong gulang pa lang siya nang makaranas ng paulit-ulit na sexual abuse sa kamay ng isang pare sa Smilum Park, isang Catholic orphanage.
A nun walked in when he was abusing me. I saw it. She called me a whore, and she pulled me out of his lap. My left arm and broke it.
Oh my!
Threw me against a wall. I have a scar.
Oh my goodness, yes, I see the scar.
And it was awful. She thought it was my fault.
Tiniis niya ito ng 10 taon at para matakasan ng kalbaryo, patagong nag-aral sa banyo para makatungtong ng kolehiyo. Ngayon, isa ng tanyag na psychologist na tumutulong sa mga batang ganito rin ang pinagdaanan. Ilang dekada niya itong kinimkim hanggang sa sumingaw ang mga sikreto sa isang dokumentaryo at ikinulong ang mga nang-abuso.
They are not representative of the church. There are many good people in the church, and I met them as an adult. Just because, a few people were nasty, that doesn't mean that I cannot still be Catholic and forgive and move on.
Noong 2018, personal siyang tinawagan ni Pope Francis para hikayating sumali sa binubuo niyang task force sa Vatican. Kung dati, pilit ikinukubli ang mga reklamo na pang-aabuso, nang umupo si Pope Francis, iniba niya ang lahat ng ito. Tumulong si Dr. Theresa sa pag-draft ng mga guideline para wakasan ang kultura ng pananahimik sa loob ng simbahan.
So a lot of Catholics, they keep quiet to protect the church. And I would say to that little boy or girl, you're not protecting the church by doing that. The church can tackle listening to you saying I was abused. Things are different now. Pope Francis changed things.
Ngayong nag-aabang ang buong mundo sa susunod na Santo Papa, may tahimik siyang panalangin.
A Pope who will continue Francis's work. A Pope who will dare to be different and progressive. And who will include everyone.
At kung meron man daw siyang napupusuan,
I love, Cardinal Tagle. I think he's super. I think he's Francis 2.0. And he's one of my favorites to become Pope.
Vicky Morales, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.